Hello, everybody. This is the Jobs and Careers Unit, and it's the Thursday problem. All right, math. When you finally land your dream job, do you think your annual salary, how much you make yearly, will matter to you? What if your boss offers you a job for $50,000 a year? Would you take it? Today, make a table to show the increase in your salary from year to year. Let's say you are the ideal employee and get a $3,000 raise every year. Complete the table to show how much you earned every year since you were hired at your job. What do you think about your possible salary over the years? Explain whether you think this would be a good job to have based only on the money you earn. So, what do we need to do? We're going to think about your dream job. You need to make a table, and then you need to determine whether this job would be a good job in the long term. So here's the table they're referring to. Make a table to show the increase in your salary from year to year. And they're telling us it increases by $3,000 every year. So the Y value is going up by 3,000, and we're going year to year here. So my 8th graders and 7th graders too, this is change in Y, right, over change in X. That is our slope. So our slope is $3,000. That is our rate of change. Is this an example of direct variation? Well, in order to be direct variation, the line would have to go through the point 0, 0. So here's x 0, but our y is not 0. So this is not an example of direct variation. But 8th graders, what happens where x equals 0? That is your y-intercept, right there. So our y-intercept is 50,000. We know it is a positive slope, right? Because it's going up, it's increasing. And it has a slope or rate of change of 3,000. Be careful when you get down here. I mean, if you're using, you can do every year, but on this one, they've skipped a few years in between 5, 10, 15, and 20. And you should be able to go ahead and figure that out. So where are you making, how much money are you making when you get down to 20 years? All right, let's go on. So what do you think about your possible salary over the years? Explain whether you think this would be a good job to have based only on the money you earn. So you will now know how much money you would be making at 20 years from the start of your job. You can use this graphic organizer. This is more than just a one sentence answer. So make sure you have, a couple bits of evidence to support whether you think it's a good or a bad job. And that wraps it up for Thursday. The Friday problem, you guys, it's pretty self-explanatory. So stay tuned for next week. We're going to be working out by grade level starting next week. So the 7th graders will have different problems than the 8th graders. Always feel like you can reach out to me anytime at this email address or your math teachers. And I'll talk to you guys next week. Thank you.